Just under 600 political parties are registered with the IEC, but 360 are eligible to contest in the national elections. Some experts say the increasing number of political parties is testament to South Africa's ripening democracy. The IEC says the proliferation of parties does not necessarily mean the addition of more parties in parliament.
For us, the Constitution calls for a multi-party democracy, but the reality is that each election there's an increase in the number of parties, increase on parties on the ballot paper, but that has not translated into plurality of voice. The voice in the National Assembly has plateaued at 14 parties. So each year there are new entrants, but the voters repudiate them.
Asked why this is the case, Sheburi observed that some political movements may not offer what South Africans need.
There's many parties, but they don't offer varied menu to the voters. And maybe some are just a demonstration of the structured nature of our body politic. Especially some are personality driven, some are splinters from already existing parties. So they don't offer, from ideological perspective, I don't think they offer much difference to the voting public.
The IEC has put in place measures to ensure contestants in the elections are serious about their participation. These include certain signature quotas and registration deposits.
If you didn't have those requirements, what it means is that all the registered parties could theoretically qualify to be on the ballot paper. And if you had 600 parties on the ballot paper, you're making it difficult for the voter, because ultimately a ballot paper is still the only tool that enables a voter to record their choice and for us to translate that choice into representation in the legislative assembly. So it is imperative that there are requirements for people to stand for elections. Otherwise, you'd end up with unmanageable ballot papers that make it difficult for voters to make their choice on an informed basis.
Despite this trend, the enthusiasm of those seeking to form political parties and throw their hats in the ring in the upcoming elections remains undamped. Natasha Piri, SABC News, Johannesburg.